Hi Paul.
Welcome to Chessington Passholders Day.
2024. It's our first trip of the season. How exciting are you?
Brilliant.
Excited. We've got Jake, we've got Fozzie as well. And yeah, I think we're having a good day.
Yep.
It seems to be easy up a little bit on the wet stuff, so
There are certain rides closed, like Dragon's Fury, 2 Blaster.
And Tiny Truckers plus Monkey Springer, but they are opening soon. Hello ladies, you miss me? Sea lions! Hello! I'm just trying to put a camera out. Good. Well done. Paul, what are we going on? What are we on? We're on Elvis Flying Jumbos. I want to pick one Paul's fingering. After right on there! Perfect timing! How's that, Paul?
Brilliant.
Right away, start the season.
Yeah.
2024 on Mandrill Mayhem. We ended last year on it, we're starting this year on it.
Yep.
And it goes
front row as well.
back row.
Back row. Oh, wait.
Back row.
Back row stroke front row, but it's
good.
good.
It's so good, so forceful back. We're heading down to Mandrill so hot, we'll stress on Pete. See those two on down here. No, I'm going this way. You ready for the area? Let's go for it. Woo! Next up, we're going on Mamba Strike. This is the Miami Wave. Look, you go on too! Yay! Jakey! Ooh, Piper Bear. I don't know. Ooh, bloody field seeker alert. Fozzie stayed off. How's that, Paul?
Brilliant.
And keeping with double thrill seekers, what do we take someone now, Paul?
Ostrich Stampede.
And they're just as bad as each other, these two. They're a pair of monsters, aren't they?
Yep.
So, guys, new for this year on Ostrich Stampede, what have they got, Paul?
Single rider.
Single rider queue. It's brand new. It means that if you are waiting and see the raven's got a 25-minute queue, you can always go on single rider. However,
You will be split up.
and that is the same rule on Mandrill Mayhem, so just be warned. And same with Thorpe Park, we'll mention it down at Thorpe Park as well next week we're down there. Where should we go now, Paul?
Oh.
I know it's calling me. The Buffalo! Let's go. We're going down the crypt to say hi to the dragon. Jack! Jack? Jack, wake up. Blah, blah, blah. I don't go, blah, blah, blah. Oh, help. Oh, no. It's a Buffalo!
There's no such thing.
Well, my bum's wet.
So is mine.
Moist. Sorry, Lee. I know you love that word, but people say that.
Moist.
Moist. Down to vampire. Got to be done.
Yep.
Got to be done. Blah blah blah. We don't go blah blah blah. Yes, we do. Well, that was
Very smooth.
very smooth. We're on the back row as well. So that was rather smooth.
Can be really jolty normally.
Normally quite jolty, but my vampire's 34 years old, opened in 1990. Love the profile. Oh, so we're going to go and have a look in the shop. And all the merch this year, including of course there's lots of new pins.
Yes.
And magnets. Jason Trouble. Hello Roshi. I don't think it's big enough. Oh no. It's a monkey. Hello monkeys. Leopards, lions. Nah, they're not big enough tigers. Tigers. So we found all the pins. There's lots of different ones. The Organist pin, 2024 pin. I don't really like that one to be honest, personally. Dragon's Fury, that one's nice. This is retro.
16 quid minus
As well. Had a bit of a mute while we were in there. We're now going on to barrel bailout because neither of us done this rides. So it's new for both of us. And I think we're heading towards lunchtime as well, so we're getting closer and closer to having some lunch. Not bad day so far.
Yeah.
Pretty good. I thought it was pretty nice my feet's moist, comes to moist.
Yeah,
That was fun though.
that's good fun.
Exactly, but good fun. Definitely recommend it to anyone who's coming here at some point. It's time for some sea shanties. I'm guessing I won't this one.
Judges. No.
Oh no, oh, I thought you were so for me. This is why he's got his round bay bandana on, guys. He's an absolute bloody thrill seeker. Are you finding some land legs now?
Yeah.
Is I find my land legs?
Yeah.
How was that?
Yeah.
That was good. Although top tip, on the back road, look straight down. More fun. I think we're going to stop for lunch and then go from there. Interesting. Seatopia, the brand new stage show starting from next Friday. We're not here, well, I'm not here, but no Paul is, so I'll get him to tell you guys about it. Woo. On Dragon's Fury, it looks like they're getting it ready for Open Day 2024, especially with all the cars on the track. They're setting it, it's quite exciting. Fury's tested! Tested! Hello.
Oh, good face for that one. It's very chill.
Oh, you get up, oh my god! Come on. Hello!
Oh. Big stretch. Oh.
Oh, no. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, man.
Can we go over that foot and see if it's there?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Decided to sit down.
So sweet. Oh well, I'm happy. I just had my tiger fix, so in case you're wondering, I have loved big cats since I was little, and they're one of my favourite animals anyways, tigers. Along with monkeys, and I also quite like goats, so that's cool. What's your favourite animal, Paul? You don't pick one.
Oh,
Feel on the spot there, haven't I?
I know. Gotta be any of the big cats.
Any big cats, anyone in particular, or not really?
They're all graceful animals.
I know what Elsie likes, and I know you're watching this, Elsie, Anna. You like your giraffes. She's like, oh yeah, I'm the We're now heading towards one of our favourites, aren't we?
Drop, drop.
And the sun's out, so I've got sunglasses on. Even better. Top tip, glasses wearers, straps. They're your best friend. Especially here, and you want full park, aren't they, Paul?
Yes.
They're your best friend because you will be asked to do the on-off game, which I hate playing. I think you hate playing that game
Yes.
as well. Head down to Quad Drop. You? Ooh, thrill seeker. A half, I don't know, crop drop. I don't know more of you, I don't know. Heading down to Rattlesnake next.
Yep.
Or in other words, pay the road with there's two of you.
Yeah.
Luckily for us, we go one behind the other.
Yeah.
So, that's me. Oh, I do love that sound. It's also my hat as well. It's cool. Front row. Hi, Kira. Let's do this. Oh. Roll the dogs. They're thrill seekers. What's the top of this one? Oh dear. Woo! Rambo. We're gonna get Fozzie on. Oh, not parent swap.
Right, it's
Parent
my swap.
Oh, and Paul's borrowed my jacket. Because you made the rookie mistake.
Yeah.
Didn't you? What did
Yeah.
you forget to bring today?
Right weight coat.
Or a zip up.
Yeah.
So luckily for me, I don't mind. So I've got Fozzie. Paul's got Jakey. How was that?
Brilliant.
You've gone. We're both gone. These two are giggling away. Two of them. They're on the bags. We just realised what this means.
Well, next week, I thought.
Next week at Fort Park, we'll probably leave funniest one yet. So what have we got, Paul?
Happy.
And coffee. Coffee.
Coffee.
And two very hyper bears.
2 hyper bears.
Very hyper bears. Especially when you get the staff member asking you how many times they've been on the ride. Imagine mayhem. Yeah, you know they're going to be going on for this one. Vampire. Nice shot there, you guys going to be down behind us. Vampire, and they're going on. Over our laces, is it worth it?
Yep.
So far.
Yeah.
They're snug, ready to go. Last one down on the vampire. I've got your this right behind us. See you guys on the other side. So, Jakey-ish, how was you on a vampire? I liked it. It was fun. It was fun. Let's see. Fuzz, what do you think?
Yeah.
Fozzie, how's your day?
Brilliant.
Have you had fun?
Yes.
I think we both have. Don't agree? What's your favourite one today?
Mandrill.
Mandrill. Look at me. Look at him go on big ride. Oh, there goes that player. You should do better at the end of the day. If you have enjoyed the video, pause it. Like, subscribe to the channel if it does already. We'll see you next week.
Yay!